I was thinking about fishing. I like fish. They have scales. I went to go get some worms at a store called Wags. I walked inside. They said that'll be $4.17. I had $4.20 in my wallet, 3 cents change. I took the worms home and I opened the container, and that's when I let them free.
Free the worms now. Go back.